Hey guys, this is my new bike check. I got a lot of new stuff for it. So I'll start with the grips and go all the way down to the tires again. Well, I got Odyssey Chase Hawk grips, still stock fit handlebars, stock fit stem, impact, integrated headset, stock fit bars, stock fit forks, Fit Prk 2 frame, fit front tire, alienation rim in the front, Odyssey Senior 2 seat, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, stock fit sprocket, stock fit cranks, alienation rim in the back, Kenda dirt tire in the back, and Odyssey slick cable, and alienation hub in the front and back. Yeah.